Okay, this video is about how to rewrite logarithms that are written as sums and differences, and to rewrite them as one logarithm. And so to do this, we're going to use the properties of logarithms. And so there's the product rule and the quotient rule and the power rule. So if you look at the green worksheet that we had in class, you can see that there is something called the quotient rule that says log base A of m over n is equal to log base A of m minus log base A of n. And so that's the one we're going to use first for 42. We're going to rewrite this, only we're going to go backwards. We're going to go this way. And so, but before we can even do that, we have to do something with these coefficients in front. So the coefficients in front need to be rewritten. These need to be put back. They can be thrown in the back like into an exponent. That's the power rule. So here's the power rule. Log base A of m to the p is equal to p times log base A of m. That's the power rule. So first thing I'm going to do is use the power rule to put these coefficients, these numbers in front, into the power. So this is equal to log base A of x to the 2/3 minus log base A of y to the 1/3. Then I can use the quotient rule, and I'm working this way. I'm going to write it as a fraction. This is log base A of x to the 2/3 over y to the 1/3. And that can be rewritten as log base A of the cube root of x squared over the cube root of y to the first power. And so that is one way you could rewrite that. You could even rewrite this as log base A of x squared over y, the cube root of x squared over y. But that's about all you can do with that. Okay, let's look at this one. What we need to do is first take this coefficient and kick it into the power. So this becomes the natural log of x squared minus the natural log of the square root of x squared. But the square root of something squared is just the something. So this is really equal to the natural log of x squared minus the natural log of x. This can be rewritten using the quotient rule as the natural log of x squared over x. And one of the x's can be divided out, and this is equal to the natural log of x. That's what that can simplify down into. All right, let's look at this one. 44, before we can do anything, we have to do something with the coefficient. The coefficient in front of this is a 1. The coefficient in front of this is a 3. So this 3 is going to get kicked up into the power first thing. So this is the natural log of 2 times x plus the natural log of x. Oh, I can't do that. I'm making a mistake. I need to first distribute the 3. I don't know what I was thinking. I was telling you something wrong. First, I need to distribute the 3 to each of these log terms. So this should be the natural log of 2x plus 3 times the natural log of x minus 3 times the natural log of y. Now, I need to take this coefficient and throw it into the power, and this one and throw it into the power. So that will be the natural log of 2x plus the natural log of x to the 3rd minus the natural log of y to the 3rd. So we use the the power rule to kick it back into the power. Now we can begin to rewrite this. This is connected with a plus sign, so this is the product rule. If you've got the log base A of m times n, that's equal to log base A of m plus log base A of n. So again, we're working backwards to try to rewrite this into one. So you do 2 at a time. Let's do this. This can be rewritten as the natural log of 2x times x to the 3rd minus the natural log of y to the 3rd. Then I'm going to use the quotient rule to rewrite this and connect these with the minus sign into one logarithm using the quotient rule. So this can become the natural log of 2x times x to the third, or 2x to the fourth over y to the third. And that's how you can rewrite that last one.